students, a very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are good and studying at home. So welcome back in our online GK class. Children, in the previous video, we have completed Fun with Number. Fun with Numbers chapter 29 we have completed. So today I am here with the new chapter, that is chapter 30. Can you guess? On page number 43. So please pick out your GK book and open page number 43. We will read this chapter. Children, the name of the chapter is Can You Guess? This is the riddle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 riddles are there. 5 pictures are there. Pictures are the clues. No any clue box is given in the chapter. Only pictures are given and these pictures are the clues. We have to find out what is the answer with the help of these pictures. Okay? So, please take out your book, pencil and eraser and solve the riddle. Okay? Please take out your book fast and open page number 43. Children, this is our chapter 30. Can you guess? On page number 43. Let's start our chapter. Solve the riddles with the help of the pictures given. Pictures are given here and we have to find out the answer. First one is, what comes once in a minute? What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, and never in 1,000 years? ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो एक मिनट में एक बार आती है, ट्वाइस इन अ मोमेंट में 2 टाइम्स आती है और 1000 ईयर्स में कभी भी नहीं आती है? डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया इन दीज पिक्चर्स? व्हाट शुड बी द आंसर? एम, लेटर एम. Letter M comes once in a minute, M, twice in a moment, 1, 2 times, na? Twice in a moment, and never, 1000 years में कोई भी M नहीं है. There is no M in 1000 years. So the answer is letter M. You can write here like this, letter M. Okay? Question number 2. What can be served but never eaten? What can be served but never eaten? कौन सी चीज सर्व तो करी जाती है मगर खाई नहीं जाती है? M we have completed. 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures are there. Do you have any idea? What should be the next answer? Tennis ball. Children, in the tennis, service word is used. Service. When we hit the ball, it is known as service. Okay? So, served but never eaten. Because ball, we cannot eat the ball. Right? So, tennis ball can be served but cannot be eaten. What can be caught but never thrown? कौन सी चीज है जिसको पकड़ा तो जा सकता है मगर थ्रो नहीं कर सकते, फेंक नहीं सकते हैं? This and this we have completed. 1, 2, 3. Which one is correct? इसमें से कौन सी चीज है जो हम पकड़ तो सकते हैं मगर फेंक नहीं सकते? एग. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. एग तो हम कैच भी कर सकते हैं, फेंक भी सकते हैं, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. फायर के साथ भी ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. इवन वी कैन नॉट कैच द फायर को हम पकड़ ही नहीं सकते हैं. कोल्ड. दिस वन इज कोल्ड. We can We can catch the cold, but we cannot throw it, right? Next, feed me and I live, yet give me a drink and I die. Feed me मतलब अगर आप इसमें ऐड करते हैं तो ये बढ़ जाता है, इंक्रीज होता है, एंड if we throw water on it, it will die. Only two options are left. Which one is this? Fire. Feed me and I live. आप अगर फायर में ऐड करते रहते हैं तो ये इंक्रीज हो जाता है, बट व्हेन वी थ्रो वाटर ऑन फायर इट विल डाई. ओके, सो द आंसर इज फायर. आग के ऊपर अगर पानी डाल देते हैं तो वो बुझ जाती है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. व्हाट कैन बी यूज्ड अंटिल इट्स ब्रोकन? ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जिसको बिना ब्रेक किए हम यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं? X. 4 we have completed. The last answer X. We cannot use X until it is broken. Okay? So we have solved this riddle. We have completed this chapter. Please learn all the riddles at home. Please learn all the answers correctly. Okay? With their spellings. That's all for this chapter, children. We will meet in the new video with the new chapter. Thank you. Bye.